guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my science lab, aka my tree house. So I've got all my supplies over here that I'm gonna need for my next few science things. So this is 5 science experiments that actually work. So you could probably do these at home if you have the right ingredients. So let's do it. Guys, look at this. The water is completely clean right here. Here is this cup. Here, this paper towel, very dirty. So yeah, it soaked up a bunch of the water and it's ended up very, very clean. For this next science experiment, I've got a paintbrush here, and in here I got some lemon juice, and I got a piece of paper. So it's supposed to be, if I write on this piece of paper with the lemon juice, it's supposed to make some invisible words and stuff. And then if I have a candle over here, and over here, right there, and if I hold the piece of paper up to the candle, I should be able to see words on it. So I just have to go ahead and write on it here. I'll just say I J K Sports. Well, the thing is, I can kind of already see it because it's white right there. But over here, I've got the candle right there. I'm just gonna see. Oh wow, that actually does work. Wait. Oh, that makes sense. So, kind of whenever you put it over here, the light, or I think it's supposed to be the warmth, it makes it kind of turn red so you can see it. So that's kind of cool. Now I just have to blow one out there. So yeah, that was the next one. So yeah, now on to the next science experiment. Guys, for this one I've got food coloring here. I've got a cotton ball dish soap on it, and I got a thing of milk here. So I'm gonna put some colors in the dish soap here. So I'll do that, then I'll put in the cotton balls, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. We're placing down the cotton ball here, and 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna try here, moving that all around. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Wow. Just gotta swirl it around. It kind of, I think the red kind of overpowered the orange and blue. But that actually looks pretty cool. To you guys, it looks kind of like orangish. To me, it kind of looks like pink. So, yeah, it's... Oh, it made it kind of cool combo. So, yeah. That was that science experiment. That was the color explosion, or at least I want to call it the color explosion. Guys, so this one I'm going to call the ice slice. I have a cube of ice here. I have some fishing line. It's really hard to see because it's fishing line. It is supposed to cut right through this ice cube. Not really working. Let's see here. Come on. Slice. Hello? Come on. Is it working? I'm not sure. It's hard for you guys to see. I don't think it really works. I mean, then at the same time though, this might be the wrong type of ice cube because it's kind of like, I don't know how you say it, but it's kind of like this. It's not it's not like the cube ones, it's this one. Maybe that's why, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna see here, I'm gonna let it melt a little bit in my hand here. I'm letting it melt so it can maybe if it's melted a little bit, maybe it'll work better. I do not believe so. It's probably not because it doesn't work. I think it's probably because of this ice cube. It's the wrong type of ice cube, I think. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure this would work. It's just the wrong type of ice cube. So, let's get on to the final science experiment. Okay guys, for this final one, we have some water right here. We have this little, what looks to be a house, piece of foam, floatable foam. So yeah, there's that, and then in here we have some dish soap with a toothpick. So the way you set this up is you stick your toothpick in here where all the dish soap is. You get some on the end, and on this inside part, here where it looks like maybe a door is, you know, that's where you put all that dish soap. So, just gotta do this, and it should work. I'm also gonna put some on the bottom edges, cause I don't know. Who knows if that helps? So, yeah. There's soap on here. We got all the soap. And now, it is time to test it out. So, let's do it. Okay, guys. So, we got this pan of water right here. Here we got the thing. So, yeah. We're gonna do this in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it works! Yes! See, it's like a little boat. Turn it around. Woo! It actually works. That's kind of cool. That was so cool. Because it just goes right on. So guys, that was 5 different science experiments there that you can do from your house, as long as you have the materials, you can do them from your house. Pretty simple. So yeah, just so you know, this piece of foam that I made that looks like a house, it has to be pretty thin. You know, like to-go boxes from restaurants, you can probably use one of those for this. You can also use like the stuff that comes under like some meat and stuff, like that thin foam. So yeah, you can use, that's how you make that boat thing. So yeah, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell, and I will see you next time from IJK Sports.